So I genuinely think every drone creator, camera user, or even anyone shooting on action cameras has experienced this at least once. You finish filming, take out your SD card, put it somewhere safe, and then 5 minutes later, you have absolutely no idea where it is, or even worse. You carry 3 or 4 loose SD cards in your bag, one gets corrupted, one disappears, and suddenly you're trying to remember which card actually had your footage on it. And that's why this little thing is actually way more useful than I expected. This is the Llano 4.0 2-in-1 card reader plus storage case, and honestly, the smartest part about it is not even the speed, it's the fact that it combines both storage and card reading into one tiny device. So instead of carrying a separate SD card case and a separate card reader, this handles both. You can store up to 6 cards inside it, 2 full-size SD cards and 4 micro SD cards, which is honestly perfect if you use drones, action cameras, or mirrorless cameras regularly. And the design is surprisingly compact. This is genuinely pocket size. The cable is integrated directly into the body, so there's nothing extra to carry, and the magnetic lid keeps everything secure while traveling. The whole thing feels designed for creators who are constantly moving around. But obviously, storage alone is not enough. The important part is transfer speed, and this supports UHS-II SD 4.0 cards with USB 3.2 speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. Llano claims a 128 gigabyte transfer can theoretically finish in around 10 minutes with UHS-II cards, compared to around 30 minutes on older UHS-I cards. Now obviously real-world speeds depend on your card and device, but if you regularly move large 4K drone footage or camera files, the difference is very noticeable. Another thing I actually like is that it can read 2 cards simultaneously. So if you're transferring footage between multiple cameras, drones, or backup drives, it makes the workflow much cleaner instead of constantly unplugging and swapping cards. And because it uses USB-C, you can connect it directly to phones, tablets, laptops, basically everything modern. That's actually useful for creators traveling with lightweight setups because sometimes you don't even want to carry a laptop anymore. Overall, for something this small, it solves a surprisingly annoying problem really well, especially if you work with drones, cameras, Insta360s, GoPros, or anything involving multiple memory cards. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description if you want to check it out.